Hi, I'm Doug here at Global West. In this particular video, we're going to talk about Corvettes, 1997 through 2013. What I have on the table right here is a lockout kit. On the lower control arm on the C5, C6 Corvette, all your alignment is done on that. And what I have in my hand here is an eccentric. It's a cam. And by rotating this, you can move the control arm in or out. And you have two of them. I have a lower control arm here, so you're going to see a cam here and here, which would allow this to pitch like this, or in and out, depending if you moved them equally or not. That affects your alignment. Well, when we go to a performance application, these eccentrics have a tendency to shift. And when they shift, your alignment goes away. You know, caster and camber both get affected, and so does the toe. So what we want to do is we want to eliminate that condition. When you do that, though, you got to have some way of doing alignment. Well, we manufacture a kit for the C5, C6s that we use a dowel bushing in the lower control arm, and then we go to a shim kit and an upper control arm bearing system that we use to do all the alignment on the upper arm. But right now we're going to talk about this lockout kit for the lower. When you run a performance bushing similar to this, like this is one of our dowels, these bushings allow the control arm to go straight up and straight down. There's no deflection fore and aft and no twisting of any kind. It's a straight up, straight down application, which is beneficial for a performance application. When you run an eccentric like this and you have a cam that moves and offsets the front to the rear, performance bushings like this one and others, they don't like that. It'll actually put the bushing into a bind situation, and you can't get the proper alignment either because there's resistance for that change from front to rear. Everything has to be on the same plane. So what we do is we build a lockout kit, which is what these are, and if you notice, it's going to have the same width as your cam. So this fits up in the slot on your cross member. We have a couple different holes to whether you want to move the arm out for more negative camber or move it in or put it more in the center. Just by rotating this, you can get different locations. But when you do it, you'll have to have all four, because you're going to have one on the front, back here, and then another two right here. They all have to be in the same hole position. You can't have them offset. And the reason why we call them a lockout is because we eliminate the eccentric. We lock the control arm from moving in or out or shifting of any kind. It actually keeps your alignment. So any C5, C6 application where you're running an alignment issue with the shifting cams or what have you, and you want to go to a performance application where you can shift your alignment to the upper, these lockouts are going to be required. And it can even be a kit car or a performance hot rod, system that somebody offers that uses C5 or C6, and you have the capability of alignment on the upper arm. These are going to help you out. Part number for this is an LOC 56. It's a lockout kit for C5, C6 from 1997 to 2013. It automatically comes in our performance kits. When you order the whole thing, is a KTC 56F. So check it out at globalwest.net or our YouTube channel, Global West Suspension.